Hello guys, welcome to my channel Awesome, and in today's video I'm going to talk about why the Sony has discontinued the production of PS4 Pro and why it has been continuously producing the PS4 Slim only version. Before starting the video, I want to tell you guys to please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So according to me, there are some points because of which the Sony has discontinued the production of PS4 Pro consoles. So let us moving on to point number one. So in point number one, I think that the PS4 Pro is already can play the games at 4K resolution with HDR enabled. Okay, as less it gives us the Dolby sound experience as well as surround HD experience, which is also available on the PS5. Okay, and so if the users can because um, most of us have televisions at home of 4K resolutions only in majority terms. Okay, in majority terms, 4K resolution only. If the individual can play a game at 4K resolution on PlayStation 4 Pro console only, then why will they switch to PS5 console? Okay, so now moving on to the point number two, according to me. So in the point number two, PS4 Pro, if the PS4 Pro will be able to or somehow able to play the games with the ray tracing technology, which is the latest, then why will the users will be encouraged to buy a PS5 console which also plays the games at ray tracing technology? Yeah, am I right? Because a PS4 Pro console will be better for money option. Now moving on to point number three, according to me. Okay, point number three is that the PS4 Pro consoles give better experience, gaming experience as compared to the PS4 and PS4 Slim models. Okay, we get much higher graphics, smoother frame rates, stable frame rates, as well as the graphics of and the edges in the graphics is very smooth in PS4 Pro as compared to the PS5. So some reasons you also can suggest to us by writing the comments. Okay. So moving on to the fourth and the last opinion according to me. So in the last opinion, I think that Sony is planning for discontinue each and every game for PS4 consoles. So it might be dangerous news for you guys who are playing on PlayStation 4 console. Okay. So this was all about the video. So don't forget to subscribe as well as like my videos. Thank you.